In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can export or save video from CapCut to your gallery just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So I just made this video and I want to export this video from my CapCut account to gallery, okay? All you have to do is you just need to click on export, okay? Go over here to export to and click over here on this file and choose, let me show you, choose gallery, okay? Select exporting path, make sure to select gallery, okay? Like this, click on open, and here you go. Scroll down, go to resolution. You can also choose which quality you want to use. I'm gonna use just this one. Scroll down, then click over here on export, okay? And that's it. This video will be exported to your gallery. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you can export or save video from CapCut to your gallery, and see you in my next videos.